Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to block ads on your Android device using DNS settings. This method will block ads across websites and apps without needing any additional apps. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Android device and go to settings. So I'm gonna swipe down the notification bar from the above. And here you will see a gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Normally click on that. And then you will see this kind of interface. After that, normally if you have a search bar, you can search here private DNS, or you can click on this connection and sharing. And here you will get an option private DNS. And then normally click on this specified DNS, and then from here, and normally you have to type here 1.1.1.1.cloudflaredns.com, and then click on this save button. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. Additionally, if you don't want to use this DNS, you can use a different DNS also, and that's dns.adguard.com.